Hello. Welcome to Learn Allen 1 Academy. You're about to see the question. To succeed, please make sure you try it on your own first. Pause the video. Write down your answer on a piece of paper. Then play the video again to check your answer. This method will help you understand the topic better and strengthen your learning. The question is coming up in the next slide. Good luck. Here is your question. Now it's time to pause the video and give it a try. Find the value of k if 3k plus 4k plus 2k plus k equals 360. Now let's reveal the answer. We know 3k plus 4k plus 2k plus k is equal to 360. Step 1. Add all the k terms together. 3k plus 4k plus 2k plus k is equal to 10k. Step 2. Now the equation becomes 10k equals 360. Step 3. Divide both sides by 10. K equals 360 divided by 10. K equals 36. Final answer. K equals 36. Thank you for watching. See you in another video with a different question. Question-wise learning is the best. And remember, practice makes perfect.